Good morning, my lovely students. I am your science teacher, S. Kiran. Welcome to our science online classes. So, students, today I have brought a new chapters for you all. So, just guess which chapter we will discuss today. Sure, it is already mentioned how things changes. How things changes. Students, today we will know about the things, how they are changing. What is the reason, what is the purpose, how they are, what and how. When. Okay, students? So, before starting, what you have to do, you know very well, as usual, as casual, as a regular basis, just use your headphone for better listening and experiencing. Take out your textbook, notes copy, and get ready for the today's class. So, students, today we will know as we start the initial of the chapter, very first day of the chapter, what I used to do. First of all, I let you know in the particular chapter which topics we will cover and what the outcomes will become. Okay, what the outcomes will become. Outcomes means what is the learning objective. Okay, so first of all, the today's topics in this chapter we will discuss. First of all, introduction as it is. Where if any new things came in front of us, then first of all we want and we need to know about it. It means it is introduction part. Okay. Second of things, common changes taking place in nature. Common changes taking place in nature. Number third point, types of changes, and number fourth point, it means causes of changes. It means in this chapter we will discuss these all points, and at last we will discuss about question answer. I think students, you are very familiar with these all words. I hope, but may or may not be, but introduction part you all are familiar. I assure you. Because in every chapters I used to explain about introduction. Introduction it means आप क्या कह सकते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन में? मीन्स अपने बारे में बताना. Tells about yourself something. Okay. What's your name? What's your qualification? What's your father's name? Where is your residential? What you used to do? What's your habit? What's your? It means these are information. It means the information about the particular things, particular person. That is called introduction. So the introduction is that about how things changes. What is the introduction of this chapter? This chapter says about any particular object, any particular things, how they are changing, So, students, first of all, in this chapter, in this topic, we will differentiate how the things are changing surrounding us, what type of things are changing, how they are changing, why they are changing, in which they are transforming. So these chapters we will know. Are you getting my point, students? Introduction, it means up supposed to be think from day to night. See in the sky, day or night, what is the changing? During the day, all the sky looks like sometimes blue, sometimes yellow, sometimes red, sometimes white, in such a way. But at night, what types of visible part is there? Completely dark, black. Okay. So this is not a single example. There are many more examples are there that we can see, we can observe the changing. Supposed to be you every day eat chapati. How they made? They made from flour. What we used to do to that flour? First of all, make it dough. After that, rolling on that particular object or materials which is made from wooden. After that, we make on the given heat. So, these all things are a part of changing. So, things first, changes can occur everywhere at any time. First point of the introduction of the how things change चेंजिंग मे अकर एनीवेयर एनी टाइम। कहने का मतलब यह है बेटा, जो परिवर्तन है, चेंजिंग इट मीन्स परिवर्तन। और एक बहुत ही पुरानी कहावत है, चेंज इज द रूल ऑफ नेचर। इट इज अ प्रोवर्ब, चेंज इज द रूल ऑफ नेचर। परिवर्तन ही संसार का नियम है। इट मीन्स से चेंजेस कैन अकर एवरीवेयर एट एनी टाइम। आई से ओके। सेकंड पॉइंट, change is a continuous process. Change is a continuous process. Same way how the time is just continuing passing. For a single seconds time should not, could not, will not, is not a stop. मतलब एक सेकेंड के लिए भी अगर हम कह दें कि समय रुक जाओ, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो इट इज अ चेंजिंग. Okay, it is a continuous process. Third point, some changes are reversed and some cannot be reversed. Do you know what are reversed and what is reversed and not reversed? Reversed, we will discuss the topics. It will come. So keep in your mind what the first question is, that reversed and irreversed. Okay, what is there? Some changes are reversed and some changes cannot be reversed. So number 4 point, changes may occur by heating of a substance by mixing it with some other substance. Changes may occur in two ways. Either we are giving heat on them, the particular materials or substance, or we are mixing to other substance. So definitely it can change. Suppose we are adding sugar with water, definitely that changes will become. Okay, we are heating to the ice, what will happen? Some changes will become. Same way, see, change refers to the difference occurring in color. Now it's a very important point I'm going to discuss. Changing, what type of changing may occurs, how will you recognize that whether it is changed or not? See, change refers to the difference occurring in color. First changes you may recognize by changing in color. Second, shape, size, position of things around you. Suppose to be asked you whether sunset or sunrise, have you changed? Sunrise, when we awaken in the morning, we see the sun is in the east direction, but in evening what we see, we used to see that sun in west direction. What happens? Their position changed. How? East to west. Are you getting my points? These things are very important, students. Changing. One more things are that changing without mixing it with other substance, or changed mixed with other substance. So second point, we will discuss, students, common changes taking place in nature. In which of them? First of all, if I talk about changing position, regarding the changing, I told you changing position. What is the changing position? We can observe every day to night, sunrise or sunset. We can observe, we can see in the morning sunrise in the east direction with red in color in the sky. After that, it's a very first sight of the rising of the sun. We can see on that time that climate or atmosphere looks like a red color. Okay, at sunset, and sunset also looks like red color somewhere. So what happens? It is changing in position. It is changing in position. Its position of changing. It is also a part of changing. So changing color. Changing color, it means we can observe during the day in a sky and during the night of the sky. In night, completely dark sky is there, but in day, completely bright sky is there. Okay, different colors may be falls on there. See, change in shape. What is change in shape? Change in shape, it means change in mood. These all things are completely followed by the nature. I am discussing about only and only about nature. See how a nature continuous changing themselves. I told you changing is a continuous process without taking interval. Your time, nature, they always changing. Okay, students? You can see changing shape. You can see at night the shape of the moon every day. you will observe every day, every night, the shape of the moon is different. Okay, students, changing size. We can observe when we take shape and after sowing in soil, what we found, or you can check gram. You can check gram. Gram, you know, आपने चना खाया है क्या? चना, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट चना. ग्राम क्या है? जब तक ये पानी में हम कुछ समय के लिए छोड़ देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड जर्मिनेशन. इट मीन्स जब हम पानी में कुछ समय के लिए छोड़ते हैं, कुछ इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम के लिए, वो क्या होता है? वो जर्मिनेट करता है. मतलब उसकी एक्चुअल साइज, वो साइज का होता है, चेंज होता है. ठीक है, तो वो चेंजिंग साइज जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड, ठीक है. और आफ्टर जब जर्मिनेशन ऑफ सीड हो जाता है तो वो क्या होता है? तो सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. वी कैन eat easily, we can chew easily, but before germination we cannot chew easily. Okay, what happens that way? Their size increased. Okay, so change in temperature. If I talk about change in temperature, we can see while in the summer season, what we feel? Hot, warm. We commonly used to say, मम्मा फैन चला दो ना, बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. Sweating again and again to the from the body. Why these things are happening? Due to the temperature. But if I talk about in the winter season, what happens? We used to wear 2, 3, 4 more clothes. Why? Because temperature is changing. So according to temperature, we feels like that. Sometimes summer, sometimes cold, sometimes hot. Okay, students. So change in a state. If I talk about change in a state, it means we can see the water when temperature rise. It means temperature rise. अगर हम उसकी टेम्परेचर क्या करते हैं? राइज करते हैं, वो क्या होता है? वाटर इवापोरेट होना शुरू होता है. आप देखते हो अगर समर सीजन में, you can observe in the summer season what happens? Temperature becomes 49 degree, 50 degree, 51 degree. In that what happens? That the water stored in river, tank, ponds, that all starts evaporate. That's why in the summer season we face the water's problem. इसी कारण से हम लोग पानी की जो समस्याएं झेलनी होती है, समटाइम्स हम लोग गर्मियों के सीजन में झेलते हैं. तो कारण क्या है? इवापोरेशन. तो क्या हुआ बेटा? व्हाट हैपेंस? दैट लिक्विड स्टेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू द गैसेस स्टेट्स. दैट्स व्हाई it is called the change in state. Now after cooling, supposed to be that gas is evaporated, it becomes gas. After cooling, that process is called condensation. That gas will, what will happen? That gas will converted into the liquid state. It means after that, after few times, we can observe that water droplets come down. In the rainy season, we can observe. Okay, friends. These all about the how things changes. Today we have discussed introduction part and what the common changing in nature that we have discussed. So students, rest part of the chapters we will discuss in the next video. Next video we will come with the types of changes. Okay students, till that keep revising. That's all. Thank you.